Hi everyone, this is Abra. Welcome to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we will be discussing something from the book called Eat That Frog. Very interesting book, and you will get a lot of insight in it. It's a small volume actually, but it covers up multiple dimensions of it. Basically, the book Eat That Frog is a management book. It tries to explore many things about how an organization employee has to be fit and has to excel their career and so on. But one common recurring thing about this book is everywhere it focuses on only one thing called anything you say, you write it down so that you will be able to you will be able to act it better. It says that actually this book also gives a reference that when you write something, actually your mind is fully attention to it. You can't do two things together. For example, when you're listening to one person and also you're also driving a bike and you're also listening to that your friend, that means you can do probably two things at a time. When it comes to writing, so it is just a one act. You will be able to narrow down all your focus only to writing. That's the reason actually writing is very powerful, and anything which you write it gets well registered in your mind. Okay, so in this book actually one thing, something called 80-20 principle. What it says is actually anything you have in your life, prioritize it. 80 percentage what you will get solutions based on the 20 percentage of the events or the issues what you have. But so most of the time what we need to do is, first we need to prioritize where to focus, where should not be focus. There is something like focus at one thing, and something the secondary important, not urgent, and that kind. It says urgent and important, get it fixed. Next is actually urgent but not important, you can do it later. And urgent, not important, that means that task you can even delegate or you can give it to somebody else to execute that one. And neither things actually is not important, not add anything, then you can directly discard. But the moral about 80-20 principle is actually it is also used widely in quality. Anything you have an issue, you just narrow it down. What is the 80 percentage the causes, or because of the 80 percentage whatever the issues happen because of the 20 percentage of the causes. So that means anything you will be able to get any solution much easier, much faster if we use 80-20 principle in our life. Even in our life also we can execute it. For example, we go through a different problem, but what most of the time the problem becomes very complicated, very exaggerated. Why? Because we don't apply what to be focused and what not to be focused. So actually in that thing what we end up having misfocus and all that. So what I request is, anything you do, please have a good focus so that you will get anything and you can make your life very enjoyable. Please do like and subscribe my channel.